Hello everyone, welcome back to Skills on Cloud. If you're preparing for a technical program manager interview, especially at FAANG or big tech companies, this video is for you. System design interviews are not just for software engineers anymore. Today, TPMs are expected to understand architecture, scalability, reliability, and trade-offs, even if they are not writing production code. In part 1 of this series, we'll cover core system design concepts every TPM must know, explained in a simple, interview-ready way. So grab a notebook and let's get started. Section 1. How TPMs think about system design. As a TPM, your role in system design is very different from an engineer's role. Engineers focus on how to build. TPMs focus on how the system fits together. When a system is being designed, a TPM looks at system boundaries, team dependencies, scalability limits, risks and failure points, delivery timelines. In interviews, you are not expected to code, but you are expected to ask the right questions, identify risks, explain trade-offs clearly. Interviewers want to see if you can drive clarity in ambiguity. Section 2. Requirements first, always. Before discussing architecture, a strong TPM clarifies requirements. In interviews, always ask, who are the users? Expected traffic or scale? Latency and availability expectations? Security and compliance needs? For example, designing a system for 100 users is very different from designing one for 100 million users. This shows the interviewer that you don't jump to solutions blindly. Section 3. High-level architecture thinking. Once requirements are clear, TPMs think in high-level components, not code. Typical components include clients, web or mobile, APIs or services, databases, caching layers, messaging systems. As a TPM, your job is to understand how these components interact, identify ownership across teams, spot single points of failure. You don't need deep algorithms, you need clarity of flow. Section 4. Scalability basics for TPMs. Scalability means the system can grow without breaking. TPMs should understand horizontal scaling versus vertical scaling, stateless services, load balancers. 宿舍内个的真心做不公社，一心今年的课程，请用各界。In interviews, use phrases like, does this component scale independently? What happens when traffic spikes? These questions show real-world experience. Section 5. Reliability and availability. Big tech companies care deeply about uptime. As a TPM, think about redundancy, failover strategies, monitoring and alerts, Incident response readiness. Ask yourself, what happens when the service goes down at 2 a.m.? This mindset separates junior TPMs from senior TPMs. Section 6. TPM Trade-off Thinking. System design is always about trade-offs. Examples: speed versus scalability, cost versus reliability, consistency versus availability. There is no perfect system, only the right system for the business. Interviewers want to hear why you chose something, not just what you chose. That wraps up Part 1, Core System Design Concepts for TPMs. In Part 2, we'll go deeper into FAANG-level system design questions, including migrations, distributed systems, and operational readiness. If this video helped you, like, subscribe, and share. See you in the next one.